Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up face tracking in Roblox Mobile. So first, open up your Roblox app as you can see on your screen. Now to set up the face tracking, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from here, it will open up the menu right here. So scroll down until you find the settings, the gear icon. So we're gonna tap on the settings. Under the settings, you just need to tap on the privacy. Now under privacy, all you need to do here is you're gonna scroll down until you find the settings, which is the microphone and camera input. Now here, you just need to enable this use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So enable this one. So enter your PIN if you have a PIN required on your Roblox. And you need to make sure that you are 13 years old and above to use and access this face tracking. Now once you've done right here, you can now use this face tracking experience if your phone supported this face tracking. So that's how you basically set up face tracking in Roblox Mobile. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.